Well, beautiful fall weather producing beautiful fall colors. And right now, a look at the map from the Minnesota parks showing that we have peak viewing conditions of those leaves in the northern one half of Minnesota as things are really advancing now. And we have some cold weather coming our way. We have issued a first alert weather day for Friday morning. Very cold temperatures, many of us below freezing as we start our day. Here's a look at that white line. That's that freezing line on Friday morning, moving into the Red River Valley and most of Minnesota with some mighty chilly temperatures. Morning temperatures will linger in those 30s and low 30s at that, and 20s for some of us all weekend long. Right now we do see some activity on the radar. A few showers continuing through the southern valley now, moving through Breckenridge, heading in towards Hankinson. These extend up towards you in Lisbon right now. As we look at Valley City, we're seeing showers pass to your south and southern Barnes County. Along the Highway 2 corridor and in that vicinity, we're seeing some passing sprinkles, but those are starting to thin out just a little bit. Speaking of that area around the South Dakota border, look in the lights. You can see a few raindrops from time to time there from our live shot from the Dakota Magic Casino. 48 at Hector. It feels like 42. That's wind chill. So reminding you what we call that. It's that time of year again. We are going to start talking a little bit about that. 43 is the actual air temperature in Valley City, warmer in Gwinnett and in Sisseton. 43 as well now in Detroit Lakes with a lot of 40s up north. Hour by hour forecast shows those north winds continue to blow, but not as gusty. We'll still see gusts over 20 miles per hour through the overnight hours. And then look at this. A little bit of moisture working its way in. Hit and miss showers, but with temperatures in the mid 30s tomorrow morning up north, there could be a flake mixing in with those sprinkles in and along the international border as we go through the morning hours. Temperatures are going to be brisk through the first half of the day. Temperatures are going to be brisk through the second half of the day, as we'll see hit and miss sprinkles and 40s for most areas all day long. In Fargo, we start out in the low 40s. The wind picks up 15 to 30 miles per hour. Not as gusty as today. We stay in the 40s all day long. I can't rule out a sprinkle here in the FM area, but they should be more of these hit and miss variety showers. Low 40s in our far eastern counties, including Park Rapids and Bemidji out to the west. Expect places like Cooperstown to be very close to 50 degrees. Here's a shot of some of those beautiful colors Nicole captured at Maplewood State Park. Beautiful. Get out and see them while you can. With wind like this, they'll end up in Iowa as we head through the next couple of days. All the leaves, that is. Friday morning, we have the first alert weather day. Remember, Thursday morning could start with a few flakes near the international border. 50 your high to close out the work week. Our weekend looks cool. Another day in its entirety in the 40s here in Fargo on Saturday. Another chance of snow along the international border in northern Minnesota on Saturday. And then it does look like we get a chance to start seeing, after a chilly start on Sunday in the 30s in Fargo, a warming trend. 50s for Sunday afternoon, and then the 60s return with mid-60s by the middle of the week. All in all, a cold stretch of weather. Remember to disconnect those garden hoses and be prepared. And coming up right after this break, we'll have a lot more news right here on Valley News Live. We'll see you in just a moment.